GST Council is meeting on the 3rd of June. And when it meets, it may just review and lower the 43% tax incidence it had earlier decided to levy on medium to large-sized hybrid cars. Now, despite all the representations that are being made by several industry bodies, the GST Council is only likely to reconsider its earlier decision on only one item, and that's to do with hybrid cars. My colleague Adrija Chatterjee joining us with that exclusive. Adrija, 3rd of June, Saturday, a crucial day ahead of the GST rollout. It's exactly a month away. It has to decide on, footwear, gems and jewelry, biscuits, etc. But your understanding that maybe, just maybe, hybrid cars could also be reconsidered. There is a strong case for lowering the tax incidence.
Yes, definitely. What I'm getting to know from my sources is that when it comes to medium and large-sized hybrid cars, the incidence of tax that it will attract under GST is going to be up to 43%. We must remember that currently the tax rate that it attracts is around 30.3%. So therefore, there's a huge difference that we can see when it comes to the incidence. And we all know that GST Council decision on rate principally functions on the fact that the incidence should not be very different from the rates that are currently there and from the rates that are going to be decided under GST. So what I'm getting to know is this 15% additional cess that they're going to add to the 28% rate that has been decided for medium and large size hybrid cars may be relooked at by the GST Council in their upcoming meeting on June 3rd. I'm also getting to know that there have been a representation sent by SIAM, the auto industry body, asking for the medium and large size cars to remain in the 28% so that the incidence difference isn't much. If you compare 30.3 and compare 28, it is somehow close by, but 43% is a huge jump. In fact, what I'm also getting to know that the Road Ministry has probably also backed this consideration, asked the GST Council to probably take a relook, because if they're principally functioning on keeping the incidence the same, this makes for a case for auto bodies to ensure. But when it comes to small hybrid cars, however, the Finance Ministry has already rejected the fact that they're not going to treat them equally as electric vehicles who are now being put under the 12% bracket. So it would be interesting to see if the GST Council at all decides to make it easier and seize a case for medium and large size hybrid cars.
Many companies are now, they were thinking of investing in hybrid vehicles, development of hybrid vehicles. At this stage, if whatever was given is withdrawn, I think it will have an immature sort of a development in India, and it can have a setback in the entire electrification process. Unless there is some sort of a support given in the policy, it will be very difficult to introduce these vehicles because nobody will buy.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.